Welcome to the latest in our video series that walks through different scenarios where users need to log in with MFA and the solutions you can implement to make that happen. Some of these solutions are common and others are more unique. If you have a specific MFA requirement scenario you're struggling to solve, let us know in the comments and we'll make a video on how you can do that. Today's scenario involves Jamie, a worker at Greenfield Manufacturing. The company is introducing MFA to meet a supplier's security requirement. Everything's in place, except Jamie only has an old flip phone that can't download apps. How can he still use MFA without a smartphone? Solution 1. SMS authentication. Greenfield Manufacturing could enable Jamie to use SMS passcode authentication to securely log in using MFA. Jamie can receive a one-time code via text message on his flip phone. After entering his username and password, he selects Phone and the option LoginTC Passcode. He clicks SMS Passcode, receives the 6-digit code via text, and enters it into the system to authenticate. It's simple, secure, and works on legacy phones. Solution 2. Phone call authentication. Alternatively, Greenfield Manufacturing could set up phone call authentication for Jamie to use with his flip phone. There are two ways Jamie could authenticate with a phone call. In the first method, after entering his first factor credentials, Jamie selects Phone from the authentication methods drop-down list, clicks Call Me, and receives an automated call. To approve the request, he simply presses 1 and is granted access. In the second method, also known as Phone Call One-Time Password, after entering his first factor credentials and selecting Phone from the drop-down list, Jamie clicks Call Me and then receives an automated call that reads to him a 6-digit code. Jamie then inputs that code into the space provided in order to be granted access. This method involves no apps, no downloads, just a simple phone call. Even when apps aren't an option, there are friction-free ways to secure your logins. LoginTC offers flexible MFA that works with legacy devices just as easily. Check out the next video in this series, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos all about MFA.